Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error 279 on Roblox in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand error 279. Error 279 means Roblox can't connect to the game server. It's usually caused by network issue, firewalls, or slow internet. This error is very common and usually easy to fix. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Open settings on your iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Step 3. Turn off VPN or proxy. Go to settings. If your VPN is enabled, turn it off. Roblox may block VPN connections, causing error 279. Step 4. Close and reopen Roblox. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Roblox and swipe it up to close. Then reopen the app from the home screen. Step 5. Reset network settings. First go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, then choose reset network settings. Then reconnect to Wi-Fi and open Roblox again. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords but not your data. Step 6. Final check. Join a game and confirm it loads properly. Error 279 should now be fixed. And that's how you can fix Roblox error 279 on an iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.